sounds really good.
Get some, baby! Shot it, damn it. Bring it in, baby, come on. That was awesome.
That's it, man. Yeah, I think it's such a good package.
Yeah.
Puts a smile on my face every lap I take in it.
Yeah, I bet. It's felt I could feel those diffs too kind of working a little bit to help you out there.
Oh yeah, 100%. Everything's working really hard to keep the power down. I think I keep overcooking the front tires, so they're probably pretty much on their way out at this point.
Yeah. No, that was great. Thank you.
No worries, man.
How's it been doing so far with the heat?
It's been fine.
Well?
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
good.
the brakes, like yesterday I drove 3 really hard laps and the brakes felt consistent the whole time.
Nice.
Water temp is perfect. Oil temp, I think if you ran like, 5 or 6 hard laps, it would start creeping a little bit on a really hot day, but overall I think it's awesome.
That's great.